Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry blueberry sweet rolls, so let's get started. First, to make the dough, in the bowl of a stand mixer, add the warm milk, the sugar, and the yeast, and whisk them together to combine them, and let the mixture sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes so the yeast can activate. Then place the bowl onto the stand mixer and add the dough hook attachment. Then add the softened butter and the eggs and turn on the mixer to low speed. And gradually add in the flour and the salt while the mixer's running on low speed. And continue mixing it on low speed until a dough forms. And then turn it up to medium speed and let the mixer knead the dough for about 5 minutes. The dough should be this soft consistency. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Grease the bowl we just had the dough in. Place the dough back into the bowl, turn it over once it coats the dough in the oil. Cover the bowl in plastic wrap and let the dough rise for at least an hour until it doubles in size. Then, to make the fruit filling, in a small bowl add the raspberries and the blueberries, sugar, and cornstarch, and gently mix them together until they're combined. Once the dough has doubled in size, deflate it a little bit and turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface and roll it out until it's about a 12 by 20 inch rectangle. Pour on the fruit filling and spread it out evenly over the dough, leaving about an inch around the sides, and carefully roll up the dough. And then pinch the seam. Use a piece of dental floss to cut out 16 rolls. Place them into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Cover them in a clean kitchen towel and let them rise in a warm place for about 30 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Once your rolls have risen, bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes or until they're lightly golden on top. Then, to make the glaze, in a small bowl add the powdered sugar, melted butter, and heavy cream, and mix them together until they're combined. And if you want a thinner glaze, add more heavy cream a little at a time until you reach your desired consistency. Pour the glaze into a small plastic bag. Press out the excess air and seal the bag, and cut off a small corner of the bag. Once your sweet rolls have baked, let them cool for about 10 minutes. And then drizzle the glaze all over the rolls. And that's how to make raspberry blueberry sweet rolls. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.